Little update on the charging stations. It's a little fancy. Pretty cool. I got them on at the end of every parking lot here. Yeah, pretty nifty looking, that's for sure. Well, what's up guys? My name's Eldon. We're here at Six Flags. I was gonna say, well, we're not gonna make it in the park. I just came back from Calibunga, went home, changed, showered, and we are here in Vallejo. So, want to capture this drone show for the first time they're doing this here in Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, Six Flags parks in general, and hopefully we can get some good footage from across the water here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into this. All right, we are here. Looks like we're gonna watch them from the lake. There's a bunch of fireworks going across the lake here. Good old Vallejo, man. Knows how to party with all these fireworks. That's a party in the park over there. Sometimes you'll even see fireworks going off from the parking lot from Six Flags, which is kind of gnarly. But yeah, it unfortunately did not make it into the park. But looks like they're doing a lot of seating over here in the seating section over here. I'm surprised it's not busier than that, but yeah, so we'll definitely pop in here again and do a full video. But just want to cover the first night. I believe this is the first night of the drones. So I think it's 9 o'clock. Drones go up and the show goes on. So let's do it.
We have the biggest sign in I want to be over there with those super big kids. There. Look, you can see them with the little paws.
It's a party over there. Currently 9:13 and 71 degrees out. Perfect. Slight breezy. Slight windy. Should be a news anchor, man. This just in. Reporting live from Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, Vallejo.
Oh, there's another one. Another one. See those black clouds? That's good for the air. It's like... Oh my god.
There they are.
That's not...
No, that's pretty cool.
I bet you there's like 20.
Okay, let's see how they do it. Let's see how they do it.
Here we go.
Oh, no, that's it.
Showtime.
I'm out of
They
it.
say they don't do far. This is a fire.
I don't know what side that is, but it's definitely...
Oh.
United States.
That is cool. Oh, they're doing a countdown. Okay.
Ducky Momo. Look at the duck.
Okay, I don't think it's going to release
Spain.
you nicely.
Portugal.
That is pretty crazy.
Whoa. Four.
Had a mosquito on my hand.
16 times 9. 202. Wow, Mom, we can
Oh, yep. It's a time right now. It's a clock. Wow, that's a lot of drones.
Why are they making Rosy, ¿dónde está Rosy? What is that? Oh,
Oh, it's saying something.
It's me.
Huh. What is that? I gotta get a different angle.
Where you at? Flag. I'm reading flag.
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
I recognize that right off the sea. Coca-Cola drone show.
Are we getting advertising?
Camila.
USA.
USA, that's
No. Asa.
America.
Guys. Oh yeah.
What about the ball?
We're gonna actually play baseball.
Oh, it's Statue of Liberty.
What is it? Statue of Liberty, you think?
Oh, that's cool. The flame on top there.
Good job, Jacob.
Titanic. No. The U.S. state. Oh, Texas.
Oh, it's.
A fish.
Oh, what is that?
California.
Oh, California.
Texas. California, baby.
That's Cali, man, on the map.
Nah, that's not Cali.
It's a star now.
Oh, wait, we're not there yet.
Yeah, it is California. Come on. Just a
Oh,
map,
what's
right?
this?
Oh, what is this? What is this? Let's see.
It's an airplane. Those are two towels. No.
No,
It's a seal. It's a seal. It's a seal. It's a seal.
Oh, it is seal. Yeah.
That's a seal.
That's cool.
That's American.
Okay, they got confused. They're confused. They got confused. They don't know what to do now.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Oh, it's a boat ride. That's cool.
Hey, it's the art.
Wow.
I think fire.
Woo! Just pretend you're on it. Just pretend like you're on it. Yeah. Pretend you're on it. And mosquitoes biting right now.
Put your phone away.
I know.
How do you guys feel mosquito bites?
You got stingray. It's a shark. Oh, wow. Cat's face. Jaguar. Simba's father. Mustafa. I got a different view from over here. It's a dolphin. Oh, that's cool. Oh, Medusa. It's backwards. So it's spelling Medusa to the people in the park. That's cool. Oh, yeah. America. Freedom. Backwards. Oh wow, that is cool. It's pretty crazy how they could do that. That's awesome. Wow. I don't know, guys. What do you guys miss? The fireworks, or you guys think the drone show is better? I think it is better with the music, but unfortunately I cannot play music and this will be copyrighted. So it's kind of better in a way that I'm out here. Oh, Yep, bald eagle. Here it comes. There it is.
That's the eagle. That's the eagle. You see it? That's the eagle.
Dang. That is cool.
I like it on Let's Do These. 6 legs.
Six Flags, dude. That's awesome. Didn't expect to see this from a Six Flags park, but they got it. Drone show. Pretty cool.
Thank you. Says thank you. It looks cool. Where I think it's still gonna go on. Look, fireworks.
Fireworks. There's your fireworks. There's no big bangs though, that's all. We need some bangs to go with it. I'm not talking about the energy drinks. Snap into a bang! That's some joke.
Leland, do you see it?
Mickey Mouse. Imagination, huh? I don't know, guys. Kind of like the big grand finale at the end with all the fireworks. This is pretty cool, but I don't know. It just doesn't match up with 4th of July fireworks. Get that crowd going and stuff, you know. But there it is. Well, now the background noise from Vallejo going everywhere. Holy moly. Yeah, it's all from the neighborhoods around Six Flags. Especially all back here. Oh man, there's a bunch of neighborhoods. Happy 4th, everybody. Hope you guys are all home and safe and enjoying it with your loved ones. America. Barbecuing, hanging out. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Love you all. Alright, not bad. A little drone show. First time in Six Flags ever. So I think it was pretty cool. I like I said, I do like the fireworks thing. I wish the drone show, maybe they'd done it for like a different event, but overall it was pretty cool. The one thing I like about 4th of July is, of course, the grand finale. Now it would be cool if they did the fireworks on 4th of July and then maybe the rest of the week did drone show. That'd be kind of cool, but you know, we don't know. We'll see. But overall, not bad. It does save them, I think, a lot of money just because the fireworks, you know, doing that 7 days in a row or something. I think it's like 5 days or something. I think, no, sorry, 2 weekends. I don't know, but they do it. It costs them a lot of money. I'm not sure exactly how many days they do it, but overall, I think with the drone show, it looked like it was sponsored by Coca-Cola. I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyway, saves them a lot of money. Yeah, I'm so burnt from today, guys. I went to, if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I went to Calibunga for the first time. Well, opening day of Calibunga today on 4th of July, and I got burnt. I put sunscreen on, but man, I am toasted. Oh man, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it wasn't too long, and yeah, it was a fun night. It's the sounds of Vallejo now. So anyways, guys, my name's Eldon. I'll see you guys next one. I love you guys all. Have a good night. Bye.